Today I'm going to do a rear brake for 2014 Honda Pilot, and this is the second generation Honda Pilot, and I would say this will apply to all the Honda Pilot. It doesn't matter what year. It should be the same because I did the 2000 current one still look the same as this right here. So the first generation one and the second generation and the third generation still have very much the same. The only thing different is the newer one have a smaller caliper, and I think smaller than the rotor too. Okay, you only have one bolt that you need to take it down, is the one on the bottom here. Is number 12. Okay, take out this right here, number 12. Just pop this open and flip this over. That's all. And then take out this two return pin out. If the new pad have the two return pin, use a new one. If you don't have one, just reuse that. It will be okay too. I'm giving you this right here. Okay, the new one kind of like too small, so I'm going to use the original one. The original one's still good. This one is kind of like hard to push in. Pads in. Okay, and this side does not have the key. So okay, when you put your brake pad in, don't forget to put your return pin. Make sure you have your return pins in. Okay, put my hand. Okay, hold on like that. Okay, closing down. You can torque this little bolt here up to 25 foot-pounds, or just guessing game. And you can tight this. Don't put too much. You will strip that or breaking the bolt. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye now.